In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend marketing emails in Hubspot. We'll walk through the quickest and safest way to resend a campaign by cloning an email you've already sent, adjusting who it goes to, and sending it again with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Hubspot. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account to access your marketing tools. Once you're in the main dashboard, look to the top navigation and click Marketing. From the Marketing menu, choose Email. This takes you to your email management area where you can see drafts, scheduled messages, and past campaigns. To find the message you want to resend, switch to the Sent tab. This view shows all emails that have already gone out. Find the email you'd like to resend and click Clone. Cloning is the best practice because it preserves your original content and settings while letting you make safe updates for the new send, like changing recipients or fine-tuning the subject line. When prompted to select a type, choose Regular. This ensures you're creating a standard marketing email rather than an automated or transactional variation. Confirm by clicking Clone again. HubSpot will create a copy and open it for editing. Now you can update the send to settings. This is where you control who receives the resend. You might target a specific list, segment by lifecycle stage, or narrow down to non-openers from the original email if that segment is available to you. It's also a good moment to add exclusion lists to prevent sending to people who already converted, unsubscribed, or should be suppressed for compliance reasons. While you're here, consider a small subject line tweak to refresh engagement and avoid mailbox fatigue. When your audience and details look right, click Review and Send. The review screen is your final checkpoint. Scan the subject line, preview text from name, and reply to address. Confirm that tracking, subscription type, and compliance settings align with your marketing policy. Use the preview and test tools to see how the email renders on desktop and mobile, and verify links and personalization tokens are working as expected. If everything checks out, click Send. HubSpot will process the resend, and you'll be able to monitor performance in your email analytics just like any other campaign. That's it. By cloning a sent email, adjusting your recipients, reviewing carefully, and sending, you can quickly and responsibly resend marketing emails in HubSpot without rebuilding from scratch.